the next undergraduate course is BSc in cardiovascular technology. So, ee BSc course ki BiPC candidates are eligible, those who have completed BiPC. Idi we are doing it along with AIG hospitals. So, this is a 3-year graduation program, and all the semesters, all the 6 semesters, candidates will be learning at AIG hospitals premises only. Okay. So, akkada cardiovascular technicians vallaku, so ivala repu cardiovascular diseases chuste chaala perigipoyindi, and they lead, all the hospitals need a lot of technicians like electrocardiogram cheyali, lekapothe Holter monitor cheyali, ante there are lot of technical things that they need to learn under the cardiovascular technology part. So, deenki this is a 3-year course. Again, they will be completely at AIG hospitals, and once they complete their graduation, they get a BSc certificate from the university, and AIG hospitals is ready to take all of them. Again, it depends candidate interest ni patti. Candidate wants to do higher education, it is completely their choice, but a job is ready for them at the end of their graduation. So, this is the beauty of both the courses, BTech and BSc, where a job is ready and candidate starts from day one, focusing mostly on the job.